Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I am Alice, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best and you know that. So guys, in this video, from the title already, you guys know what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing a mini twist, or I don't know if it's called micro twist, whichever one. And I'll be using this King hair darling product. So I bought 2 packs thinking that I will use enough of the hair because my hair is very full. So I bought 2 pack just in case, because I remember the time I made this particular style for my friend, although hers was not cut like mine. Like you can see from the video, I cut mine into two, but I didn't cut my friend's own, so it was very long and we had to use 4 packs of kinky hair, but that was expression product. So I bought these 2 pack of darling product, and surprisingly for me, at the end of it I actually use, okay, I think I should keep that till the end of the video to tell you guys how many pack I ended up using. So guys, this is it, parting the hair. As always, I parted my hair and then I started braiding, twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting. Guys, honestly, I've been craving this hair a very long time. I don't know if craving is the word I should use, but I've been so eager to make this hairstyle. Like, it has been on my mind for a very long time, and I decided to try it out. Guys, it was very stressful, very stressful, that to the point that at some point I wanted to give up, because I did the cutting very small. From the video you guys can see it, it was very tiny, and I was like, who sent me message? Like, who sent me message? I for just do the big style, jejely. I can't go they do tiny one. Because these hairstyles, they can be so beautiful, but then when it comes to sitting down for it and making it, takes a long time, and then a lot of stress for the person making it and you as well, that you are sitting down. So now imagine you sitting down and then you are making it yourself. So you imagine I was going through double stress. So when I finished the first part, this particular part that I cut, I was tired. Like, I was very tired. And then I I finished this hair in 2 days. Yes, so the first day I think I used 8 hours, and then the second day I used I think in total I it was 11 hours or 13 hours basically, because I had to go for school runs and everything. So I the first day it took me 8 hours, then I continued the next day. In total I think it should be 13 hours that I used to complete the hair. So this is it. At this point I was like, you know what, let me go and rest, because it was late already. So I decided to rest too. I even try safe. I did the one part and the second part halfway. My baby girl, I try you. But then I was still pushing and pushing, because me, anytime I start something I always like to finish it. Like, I know they rest. I like, if I know see the finishing part, I know they rest. And funny enough, but when I'm eager to do something and hairstyle, once I'm done with the hairstyle, I'll start checking calendar on when I'm going to take down the hair. I don't know if I'm the only one that does that. If you do that, let me know in the comment section. Like, I don't have patience. Once I'm done with my hair, I start, counting the days, or like, looking forward to when I'll take it down. But anyways, I think baby girl is talking too much already. But yes, I'm actually going to be talking because I want to talk. Yeah. So at this point, I want to give you guys a reminder. If you are yet to give the video a big thumbs up, please do well to give it a big thumbs up, and then subscribe if you are yet to. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this hairstyle, like if you want to sit down for 13 hours. Anyways, I think it took 13 hours because I'm the one making it myself, and then I had to stop at some point, go out, do some things concerning my school clearance then. So if you are going to be trying this hairstyle, just Let me know in the comment section if you can sit down for 13 hours. But if you are going to be doing this at the salon, it shouldn't take up to 13 hours, probably like 6 or 7 hours. They should be able to finish it. And then if you have full hair, maybe 9 hours. But depending on the amount of people doing it, yeah, because if you are at the salon, maybe like 3 people will gather your head. You get what I mean? So this is it. And I think I'm going to take a break from this talking. Let me go and drink small water, and then I'll play small soft music for you guys. Okay? So guys, I'm back again. So remember I said it took me 2 days to complete this hair. So this was the second day, and at night, because in the morning I did the from you can see I already finished. I'm almost done at this point. So in the morning I started it, but I got a call from my parent and all of that. I had to go to school to do some things. As at this time I was making this year, I was preparing for my convocation. So I had to go to school to do some of my clearance and payment of my convocation fee. So that was what I did in the morning. Like I did the other back parts to this point. Then I had to wrap the hair up and then go to school for my clearance and the payment of all of that I went to do. So this was the night, and then I had to complete it because I think it was this second day was on Wednesday. Yes, I think Wednesday. And then my convocation was going to be on Saturday. So baby girl had to look good, prepare herself before the convocation. And yes, this was me making it, and it was very serious. But when you are already almost done with the hair, you just have this feeling, this happy mood and all that, and then you become active. I don't know, when I'm almost done I suddenly become very active. Or it depends, it depends. Sometimes you might not be active when you're almost done, but for me, most of the time when I'm almost done, I'm usually very active and faster. Yeah, so yeah, let me allow you guys to watch and continue. Another reminder, if you've not given the video a big thumbs up, please do well to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are yet to, and also share the videos to your loved ones, your family, your friends that will be interested in content like this. And also from the video, it's detailed on how to part your hair and also how to braid, do the twist as well. From the video you can see I braided it from the beginning before I started twisting. So the video is very detailed for those that want to try braiding, or braiding their hair themselves. It's very easy, but not that easy per se. Okay, it's not so easy because it's stressful. You get pains around your neck when you are bending your neck, your arms basically. But since I'm used to it already, and then if you keep on trying it and trying, you also get used to it and you won't feel that much pain. So guys, at this point, nobody can tell me nada. At this point, when I was done, I was just feeling myself like, what? Look at what baby girl did. Like, oh my days. If I'm to go to the salon to braid this hair, I'm very sure I won't be spending probably probably like 15k. It won't be more than 15k that I'll be spending. If not, I sorry, I meant to say it won't be lesser than 15k that I'll be spending if I go to the salon. But yeah, I am. I sat down for 13 hours and I braided this hair myself. Oh my god. And then I gifted myself Coke, 250 naira Coke. And then I ate food as well. So yeah, basically I'm saving the 15k that I would have spent at the salon. So this is the finishing touch. From the video, it's very detailed, I don't need to say anything. So I did the finishing touch, and so now let me let you guys know how many pack I use for this hair. So you guys should I say it? I was very shocked. Okay, let me shock you guys. I ended up using just one pack of the darling kinky hair for this hair, and it's so full. I'm very surprised. I got this kinky hair for 1,750 naira, and it's very full. So if in case you want to do this hairstyle, you can try out the darling product. Expression is not as full as this darling product, so I made it of just one pack, and then the other pack I just kept it. And when my mom came for my convocation, I used it for her to make. I I don't know what's going on. So the second pack I had to use it for my mom. And yes, basically I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been saying things, some talks are just I don't understand. So you guys know I cannot braid my hair without doing my scalp massage with my oil. So I had to use my Ayurvedic oil to massage my scalp, to keep the hair healthy as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this hairstyle, if you can sit down for 13 hours to make this hairstyle, this beautiful micro twist. So guys, this is where I'm going to be leaving you in this video. So I'll be seeing you guys in another one. For now, bye bye.